Hello everyone. Today we're going to compare Clickup, Notion, and Trello, three popular productivity platforms. So Clickup is an all-in-one project management tool offering task management, goal setting, and collaboration features with a focus on flexibility and customization for teams of all sizes. While Notion is a very versatile workspace that combines note taking, databases, and task management, allowing users to create highly customizable workflows for both personal and professional use. While Trello is a simple and intuitive project management tool based on birds, lists, and cards, perfect for visual tasks, organization, and team collaboration. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer and support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for ClickUp, Notion, and Trello, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you can also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's talk about the features comparison. So when we talk about core focus, ClickUp is focused in all-in-one productivity and project management. Notion is focused on note taking, documentation, and project management. And Trello focuses on visual task management with boards and cards. And for task management, ClickUp have advanced task management with customizable views, which is list, board, Gantt, etc. Notion have basic task management integrated into workspace. Same thing with Trello, they had simple task management with Kanban boards. For collaboration, ClickUp offers real-time collaboration with comments, file sharing, and task assignment. Same thing with Notion. They have collaborative workspace with comments and sharing. And same thing with for Trello. They have card-based collaboration with members and attachment. For the customization, ClickUp is highly customizable with automation, templates, and task settings. Notion, they have customizable pages, database, and templates. Trello have simple customization, which is card labels, checklists, etc. For integration, ClickUp have 1000 plus integration with tools like Slack, Google Drive, etc. Notion integrates with database, Google Drive, and also Slack. Same thing with Trello, basic integration with Google Drive, Slack, etc. For mobile app, so ClickUp, they have a full featured mobile app, same thing with Notion. While Trello, they have a mobile app for Kanban-based management only. For views, ClickUp have list, board, Gantt, calendar, box, and mind map. Notion offers pages, databases, Kanban boards, while Trello, they have board view, which is Kanban. And for the automation, ClickUp have advanced automation for task statuses, etc. Notion have no automations but supports relational databases. And Trello, their automation is limited by a butler. For templates, ClickUp offers templates for different project types. And for Notion, their templates is for note taking, wikis, or project pages. Trello have basic templates for boards and workflows. And lastly, for time tracking, ClickUp have built-in time tracking in their platform, while Notion and Trello, they have no native time tracking. So yes, that's it for the features comparison. So now let's go to pricing. For the pre-plan, when we talk about pre-plan, ClickUp have pre-plan with limited features, unlimited tasks, and users only. For Notion, they have also pre-plan with limited block storage and basic features. Trello also they have a free plan with 10 boards and limited automation. 10 boards only. For paid plan, ClickUp starts at $5 per user per month, which is the unlimited plan, while Notion starts at $8 per user per month, which is the plus plan, while Trello it starts at $5 also per user per month, which they call standard plan. And for the enterprise plan, of course, all of them have it, and it is customizable pricing. So it depends on what features you want to have. and that will correlates the pricing. So yes, that's it with the pricing comparison. So now let's go to performance. For when we talk about ease of use, ClickUp is they have a high learning curve due to vast feature set. Notion is intuitive and user friendly, but they have a complex for features for advanced setups. Trello, on the other hand, is simple and very easy to use, especially for beginners. For speed and reliability, ClickUp have occasionally slower with large data sets. Notion is generally fast, but may lag for a large database. Trello, on the other hand, is very reliable for smaller teams. For collaboration efficiency, ClickUp have strong collaboration features suited for teamwork. Notion is also collaborative, but best for documentation and planning only. Trello, on the other hand, is effective for visual, task-based collaboration. Lastly, for learning curve, ClickUp have steep, especially for advanced features. Notion is moderate, and it depends on the setup, while Trello have very low learning curve, and ideal for users looking for simplicity. So that's it for the performance. So now let's go directly to customer and support. When it comes to availability, ClickUp have 24/7 support available for paid users or paid plans. When it comes to Notion, their support is only during business hours for paid plans also. And Trello offers 24/7 support also for paid plans. For support channels, ClickUp have email, live chat, help center, and video tutorials. Notion also have email, help center, community forums. Same thing with Trello. For community and resources, ClickUp have very strong community with regular updates and webinars. Notion, right now they have a growing community and online resources. And Trello, they have an active community and knowledge base. So that's it for the customer support. So most of them are the same. And yes, that's it for the features, pricing, performance, and customer support comparison. Now let's go to pros and cons. And let's start by discussing ClickUp pros and cons. When it comes to pros, ClickUp offers a highly customizable and feature-rich platform, making it ideal for managing complex projects with multiple teams and workflows. They includes a wide range of views from Kanban to Gantt charts, making it adaptable to different project styles. They have advanced automation features, save time on repetitive tasks, and streamline workflows. For cons, ClickUp, their learning curve can be steep, especially for new users trying to navigate its many features. And they can become slower when handling very large projects with vast amounts of data. So that's it for the ClickUp pros and cons. So now let's talk about Notion pros and cons. When it comes to pros, Notion combines note-taking, documentation, and task management into a unified platform, making it a perfect for teams that require knowledge management and task tracking in one place. They have highly customizable with templates, database, and relational tables to suit various workflows. They have a user-friendly interface, especially for organizing information into easily navigable pages and databases. So that's it for the pros. When it comes to cons, Notions lacks built-in automation and advanced project management features, making it a less suitable for complex task management. And they can be slow or clunky when managing large databases or handling multiple users simultaneously. So that's it for the Notion pros and cons. So lastly, let's talk about Trello pros and cons. So Trello is when it comes to pros, it's a simple, intuitive platform with a focus on visual project management, perfect for individuals or teams needing basic task tracking. They are easy to use for beginners, especially for comfortable with the Kanban board style of task management. And lastly, they have power apps and automations like Butler, making it more functional for scaling up workflows. When it comes to cons, Trello have limited features compared to ClickUp and Notion, especially for advanced project management and workflow automation. And lastly, their pre-plan has restrictions, especially on board numbers and power ups, which might limit larger teams. So yes, that's it for the Trello pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons. Now let's go directly to which platform is the best for you. And let's start by discussing who should choose ClickUp. So ClickUp is referable for someone who needs a comprehensive project management tool with advanced features for task tracking, time management, and collaboration. And it's also referable for someone who is managing large teams or complex workflows that requires different views for different departments. Someone who requires also powerful automations to eliminate repetitive tasks and streamline business operation. And lastly, someone who is comfortable with steeper learning curve in exchange for greater flexibility and control. So if you have all of these qualities, ClickUp is the choice for you. For the people who should choose Notion, Notion is referable for someone who is looking for a unified platform that blends documentation, knowledge management, and task management. Someone who prefers a flexible, all-in-one workspace for organizing projects, notes, and databases. Someone who doesn't need advanced project management tools but values customization and easy setup for personal and small team use. Lastly, someone who seeks a versatile note-taking platform that can also handle light project management tasks. So if you have all of these qualities, Notion is the choice for you. Lastly, who should choose Trello? Trello is referable for someone who prefers a simple, visually oriented project management tool for tracking tasks through boards. Someone who is part of a small team or individual looking for an easy to use intuitive task management system. Someone who values minimal setup time with an emphasis on getting projects started quickly without extensive customization. And lastly, someone who needs a lightweight Kanban style project manager that offers enough flexibility for small to medium sized project without overwhelming features. So if you have all of these qualities right here, Trello is the choice for you. And that's it. So in conclusion, all platforms offers unique strengths depending on your project management needs. ClickUp is the ultimate choice for those seeking powerful all-in-one platform with advanced task management features and extensive customization options. Notion shine as a flexible workspace that combines documentation, project management, and note-taking in one place, perfect for teams looking to manage knowledgeable alongside their tasks. While Trello, with its simplicity and visual Kanban board approach, is the best fit for smaller teams or individuals looking for an easy and intuitive task tracking system. So ultimately, your choice depends on the complexity of your workflows, the need for customization, and the preferred style of task management. So try out these platforms and see which one fits your project needs and start streamlining your work today and take productivity to the next level. So with that being said, the comparison is over and I hope this comparison helps you choose the correct option. Also, that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.